Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player zombies in Call of Duty Vanguard. First, make sure you have a second controller connected to your console. Then, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. Both players will need to have either a full profile or a guest account signed in to proceed. This ensures the game recognizes both participants for the upcoming zombie action. Once both controllers are connected and accounts are active, head to the main menu. From there, you'll want to select the Zombies option. This will take you to the dedicated Zombies lobby. You can then choose your preferred map, such as Dare Anfang or Terra Maledicta, and confirm your game mode. This step is crucial for initiating the two-player experience. After selecting your map and game mode, the second player will see a prompt to join the game. They simply need to press the indicated button, usually X on PlayStation or on Xbox, to officially enter the lobby. Both players will then appear on the same screen, ready to customize their loadouts. Once ready, the host can start the match, plunging you both into the Undead Challenge. To maximize your success in two-player zombies, communication is key. Always call out enemy positions and share information about power-ups. Remember to share resources like ammo, armor plates, and even points when one player needs an upgrade more urgently. Working together on objectives and covering each other's backs will significantly increase your chances of surviving wave after wave of the relentless zombie horde. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.